Hello, children. Do you know how to talk about yourself and others? We use words like I, he, she, we, you, it, me, him, us, and them to do that. Let's listen to these examples and see how these words are used in different sentences. I am making a phone call. He is drinking a cup of tea. I bought a bag yesterday. It was very expensive. You are shaking my hand. We are having breakfast. She is dancing. Jane likes him. Mark saw us in school yesterday. David gave me a present. Look. They are laughing. She is telling them a joke. I am waiting for you. Please be quick.